this video is all about cryptocurrency analysis. I was doing this, I thought of doing this for all my trader friends over here and some of the traders whom I work with, and there are some friends who are into mining, including me. So it's for all of them which I'm doing this separately, only for crypto exclusively. And these are the different cryptos which I'll be looking at. So if you want me to analyze any other cryptos apart from this list, then do let me know it in the comment section and I will do that in the next video. So let's get started. Okay, let's talk about Bitcoin first. So Bitcoin has been in the talk for quite a long time. We did mention that if you see at the weekly time frame, I was able to tell that there are chances that it can fall. So I was expecting a huge fall, but the market has been playing in a consolidation phase for quite a long time, like for from 22nd February till now, right? So the reason why I said that there are chances the market can go down is because one of them is there is a loss of momentum over here, right? We have a huge move up, a small pullback, and then another move up, but we don't see that same momentum again. And also, if you look at the RSI, we get that the RSI is also losing its momentum, right? So that is one of the reasons why I mentioned that Bitcoin can fall. However, it didn't fall, it was just doing it in a consolidated manner, right? And it looks like a good curve over here. The curve, what I mean by curve is, we do have a curve, right? Yeah. Okay, that is not how I wanted, maybe, yeah. A good curve. So this indicates that there are chances that the market can go down, but we have a good level of structure over here. If we can draw a trend line, if we draw a trend line like this looks like a good flag formation, right? A rising flag formation, and we need to wait for the market to break out now of this level. Once we have a break and close below this level, then we can expect the market to go and test all the way down to 28,500 to 30,000. So that's the next zone which I'm looking at, if at all the market is breaking and closing below this green line, right? So if we have that, then you can expect the market to go down. Else it might be playing in this range again, maybe go and test again that 60,000 mark. Not sure if it is again breaking above this high, this 64,770 level, then we can expect the market to go even more further high if it is breaking above this 64,875 level. So if it is breaking, then let's draw that Fibonacci extension and just figure out where it can take the resistance. Let me remove this curve. So we can expect Bitcoin to reach 74,612 if it is breaching this high, right? 74,612 to 87 actually. So we do not have any kind of resistance level. This is the highest Bitcoin has reached. But so with the help of Fibonacci extension, we can assume that the market has the potential to go up to 74,612 if at all it is breaking this high, this one. All right. So yeah, that's all about Bitcoin. Watch out for this one. Wait for the market whether it is going to break the lower support level, or the if it is breaking the above one, that's actually fine. But I'm sure quite a lot of them have invested a lot on Bitcoin and mining part as well. So do make sure, if you want to sell off your mining cryptos or something like that, then watch out for this zone. If it is breaking this 45 level, 45 500 level, then there are chances that it can go all the way down to 28,000, right? So do watch out for this one. So that's about Bitcoin for now. Okay, Ethereum has taken a pause after flying for quite a lot of weeks. So you can see that we have a doji candle over there, and followed by a lower low, lower close candle. Now this bullish candle, that could be probably just a small retracement. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So yeah, so if you look at the technical side of it, this Ethereum has been flying around for quite a long time, and then we did a pullback, and then again a push up. It did another retracement, and then we have the same retesting of the previous swing high, right? So this forms a head and shoulder pattern, but for us to confirm that it's a head and shoulder pattern, we need a break and close below this swing, right? Once we have that, if we have that, then we can expect the market to go down, make a fall basically, right? It is at the highest right now. So watch out for this level, $34.70. Once that is breached, then you can expect the market to go down to this, probably around this area. Look left over here. So this is the structure which I was talking about. Let's draw a Fibonacci retracement as well. Let's draw it from here. So yeah, that's around 786 is lining up over that zone perfectly. So that is around $25.46. So but the reason why I'm saying that is because of this pattern. Now we need a break and close below this, below 35.30 level, right? Once we have that, then you can expect the market to go and test this zone. However, let's say that it's just planning to continue its rally, then what we can expect is once we have a break and close above this high, right? If we have that, then we can expect the market to go all the way up to, let's see, and back to where we started. So we can expect the market to go up to, let's make it 5,000 flat. That's an even handle number. So $5,000, that's what I'm expecting it can reach up to, right? So again, if you are into mining, you should be knowing about all these things. Watch out for this level, right? If we have a break and close below. Now what I mean by break and close below is we need a candle, a bearish candle, or a red candle in this case, a red candle which is breaking and closing below this spike over here, right? Once we have that, then only I'm expecting that the market might reach up to this 2600 level. If not, there are chances that it can just shoot up again, or probably play in this consolidated area. So this is a good zone right now. We need to wait and watch for us to do further analysis on this one. But yeah, that's basically it for Ethereum. Litecoin, on the other hand, it's been doing the classic breakout and pullback. So what I mean by that is this is what we are seeing right now: breakout, pullback, a breakout, and a pullback. So yeah, it's been doing a breakout and pullback, but on the daily time frame we do not have any kind of confirmation. The only confirmation what I see is that it has done a double bottom formation. Now that's a classic reversal signal, but let's go down to 4 hours and time frame and see. So well, let me see, let's remove this, and I'm not sure whether it is a double bottom on this one. Yeah, it is a double bottom. So once we have a break and close above this high, that would be a good reversal signal, that meaning it can go even more higher. However, there are chances that it can go into a consolidated mode as well. So why I'm saying that is, one of the reason is we have one pattern over here. So whenever this pattern is happening after a huge rally, there are chances that it can go in a consolidation phase. So probably it can go all the way up to 382 and then do a pullback, and then again might do this multiple times before it can just before it shoots up. So this is what I'm worried about Litecoin, whether it is going to shoot up straight away. Not sure about that, but my best bet is there are chances that it can go all the way up till 380, do a pullback, and probably it might hold on to this level, right? This level like this, it might be able to hold on to like this. But if we have a breakout of that, then that's a good sign. There are chances that it can go even more further high up. So if it is going up, and also I'm seeing another pattern if it is falling, before that, let's say if it is going up, let's see till where it can go up. So again, drawing the Fibonacci extension, and $470 is something which I'm looking at on this Litecoin. If at all, if it is breaking this below structure, now let me remove this pattern. If it is breaking below this one, right, then there are chances that it can do another pattern over here. Let me draw and see that if it is making any sense. As of now, it is I'm just taking over here right now because that is the high the market has done. So it hasn't tested 618. Okay, fine. So around 230 level, for this to reach, we need a break and close below this level. Once we have that, then we can expect the market to go and test this level. Until then, there are chances that it can go into this consolidated mode. So that's what I'm looking at on Litecoin. Dogecoin or Dogecoin, I'm not sure how do you pronounce this one, but anyways, something which started out of joke, now it's become serious. Now Dogecoin, what I heard is that there are chances that it can reach up to $1 mark, and it's not a big surprise by seeing the technicals also saying the same thing actually. So yes, again we have this classic pullback, and by looking left, it has taken the support, and we do have a higher close candle over here. So there are chances that it can go all the way up. So let's pull up some Fibonacci extensions and see till where it can go up to. So let's draw the extension first over here. So we have usually I follow this 127, that is around 0.89 cents over there, and let's draw an inversion as well, just to make sure if anything, I mean if there is any confluence, let's say. Okay, we do have a confluence. Let's check it. Let me change the color of it. Okay, let me make it white. Okay, still all right. Yeah. So yes, we do have a confluence of 127 and 1414 extension and inversion, and also we do have a confluence of 0.97 and 1414 and 1618. So this is the area which is looking quite interesting if it is going up, right? And that is near to $1 mark. So that's why probably everybody is saying that it has the tendency of reaching $1 mark soon, and I'm not surprised. If it is breaking this high, there are good chances that it can go up to that $1 mark. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame as well, just to make sure when it can go up. All right. Okay, let me remove all this. We can wait for the market to break and close above all the spikes over here. Once we have that, then we can say that there are chances that it can go even more further high, right? So this 0.59 to 0.6, that is a zone which you need to watch out for. Once we have a break and close above this, let's say if we have a break and close above 0.6 cents, right? So if we have that, then there are chances that it can go ahead and test that Fibonacci previous levels which I have drawn, basically a $1 move, right? So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on Dogecoin right now. Okay, for Ripple we have multiple pattern opportunities on this one. So the first pattern what I'm seeing is if it is breaking this high, right? So let's say we have a break and close above this high. So there is a pattern over here, that's the butterfly pattern. So that is something like this, right? That goes all the way up till 1.127, like that. So that is around $2.24. That is if it is able to break out of this level, right? If it is not able to hold on to this level over here, if it is breaking below this level, then we have multiple patterns over here. The first pattern is over this one. So X to A, A to B, B to C, and B, C, D completion, something like this, right? Let me change the color. So this is one of the pattern which I'm looking at, and even if we are not able to hold on to this level, then there are chances that it can fall even more further, creating a different pattern. So there is quite a lot of pattern on this particular Ripple as of now. So let's see, this is a deep Gartley which I'm seeing. So 886, that's the Gartley which I'll be looking for. Yeah, so multiple pattern opportunities on Ripple. So I'm not sure on which direction wise it will be going. We need a breakout if we want the if we have to be sure that it will go on making new highs, then we need a break and close above this high. Once we have that, then we can we can say that okay, there are chances that it can go all the way up till here to 127, make a pullback, and then continue its uptrend. But if it doesn't do that, then there are chances that all the other patterns will come into play here. So this is what I'm seeing on Ripple. Bittorrent and Wazirx has somewhat similar chart pattern over here. So I'm going to talk only about one right now. I don't want to repeat the same thing again and again. So let's talk about Bittorrent right now. So Bittorrent, again, it's in a consolidated stage, and it is holding on to this as a strong support, right? So this is the strong support level. One spike was there, so this has to be careful. There are chances that the market can go all the way up till here and then shoot back up, right? But let's say that we have a break and close below this spike over here. Once we have that, then we can expect that the market to fall even more further down, right? However, if we cannot draw this as a trend line, because that will not make any sense to me unless we have a break and close above this high over here. So if we want to see Bittorrent or Wazirx going making new highs, or going all the way to test this high, then we need a break and close about this level over here. Same for the Wazirx as well. For Wazirx, I would say this level, somewhere over here. If we can break out about those this level, then we can say that there are chances that the market can go all the way up till here. So yeah, that's about all the cryptocurrency I have in mind. If you like this video, do hit that thumbs up, and do subscribe to this channel and share with your friends. Let them know what I'm doing over here, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great trading week.